guys, so today is moving day 3. So I have the U-Haul in the back. So I have my couch in there, my dresser, and a nightstand. I already have some furniture, as you saw on my yesterday's part. So yeah, so this is what we're gonna do. We are in front of the building, so we're just gonna go inside at on my apartment. It will just put everything inside. As you can see here, I already have my couch inside the apartment. It was in the U-Haul, and I also have 3 of my chairs set up. And then, here's another view of the apartment. I just have a few cans in the kitchen, and this is how my room is looking now. As you can see, I have the dresser, the nightstand, and then I have the bed in the box that I have yet to, put together. And yeah. So this is the bathroom right now. I still have the shower liner because I'm still looking for a shower curtain. Nothing major inside. So now we are done, and now we're just going to drop the U-Haul. This is my younger brother. So we're just gonna go to the office and then drop the keys. So now guys, I am at the Dollar Tree. So we just drop off the U-Haul. So I just stop at the Dollar Tree right now just to pick up a few things that I noticed that I needed. I need some liner for the kitchen. I literally used 6 and they're not enough. And let me see, I can't find them. They're usually in the kitchen section, but for some reason I'm not able to find them. But let me just take this. I can use this one to put my towel for the bathroom. I actually have one, but I'm not able to find it. So where is the liner? Where is the liner? It's supposed to be in this section, but can't find it. Let me show you guys. So the liner is supposed to be in the kitchen section, but I'm not able to find it. It's usually somewhere like in the bottom, but it's not there. It's okay, so I'm just gonna keep looking for other things that I might need, and then I'll come back on that. Here is the liner I was talking about, guys. So I'm just gonna take 2, and I think I should be good. Let me see for how much money. 1, 2. Okay, so far so yeah, so let me see what else I can find in this section. Yeah, so we just finished from the Dollar Tree, so we're just gonna head home to the apartment. I am back at the house, guys. So I'm just gonna, this is my table for my living room, not my living room, my dining room. So this is how the table looks like, and this is my chair, and one of the chairs missing the screw, so I was not able to put the chair together. As you can see, the 3 ones are here. And yeah, I'm just missing the screw for this one. And then, like I said, since I went to the Dollar Tree, I pick up a few things. So I'm just gonna, organize the things that I pick up at the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna put the camera so you can see when I'm done with the chair. Not the chair, the table I'm in. As you can see, guys, so I'm currently putting the dining room together. So we already finished at least 3/4 of the chairs. We're already done with the chairs. So we just have to do the table, as you saw my dad doing. So we're almost done, and I think that's gonna be all for tonight. Or we might, my bed is already here, so I might try to do my bed as well. Otherwise, it will have to be tomorrow, which you will see obviously in the next clip. The living room is ready to go. As you can see, the only thing, I'm just missing the screw for this one, so I'm just gonna have to wait for Wayfair to send it to me. Yep, and this is the couch. Yep. Now I am back at my parents' house, guys. I'm super exhausted, but at the same time I'm super happy because today was a very successful day. So as you can see, my couch is have my new apartment, and we also set up the dining room. I mean the dining table, the chair, so everything is already set up. And then the dining, my sofa is there, and then we have the chairs. So one of the chairs is, you know, Wayfair forgot to put the screw on it, so I just have to figure it out. But it won't be a problem because nobody's gonna sit on it, so it should be fine. So basically, I just need like to buy a TV stand, and then mostly everything else will be decoration. And then my entryway, I don't have any. I only have like a place where you can sit down, put your coat, and then put some shoes in there. But like I have two like small wall on my entryway, so I'm just gonna have to buy like some small furniture for that. And then after that, just decoration, which obviously I'll probably vlog. I'll probably gonna look at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Burlington at home for the furniture. And tomorrow I want to go to Walmart, so I'm planning on placing an order, a grocery order tonight, so I can go tomorrow and pick it up. So I think tomorrow morning, if I go to Walmart, I'll probably do the groceries. And then there is a mirror I saw at Walmart. It was only $60, so I'll probably get it. Hopefully they have it. And then just some smaller things in there. And then after that, like, the apartment should be good. And also my bed. I will have to put up my bed tomorrow. And my mattress, today it's Saturday. My mattress will be here on Tuesday. So that's the only thing. It's just being delayed for now. Yes, guys, so I'm super tired. I'm just gonna take a shower now. I'm just gonna eat something. My mom made fish, so I'm just gonna have some plantain and fish, and then shower, and then I'm gonna call it the night. And then because tomorrow I have to wake up early to probably go to Walmart and go to the apartment to finish the thing, and I'm going back to work on Monday, so hopefully that won't be bad. So yeah, so I'm gonna leave you right here. So you'll either see the next clip, or you'll see me in the next vlog to continue with the moving adventure. And you already know the deal. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, so you can support my channel and we can grow together. Bye bye. Have a good night, guys.